It's another weekend and it's another car show. Today we're off to the NECPWA show. I believe it's Lowlights, the old Fish Key over North Shields. And today we've got a slight change in the vehicles. As always, at the moment I'm driving the 1.6 GLS Vauxhall Cavalier. And up front we've got the blue Mk1 Cavalier automatic 1.9 GL. Now I like driving that blue one, but obviously having the red one today, it's so smooth to drive that blue one. It's very blingy, it's got all the chrome on it and everything. Absolutely love that car. But that one's leading the way today. Let's get to the show. Don't know how big or small it's going to be, don't know how popular it's going to be. And up front, it looks like we've got either a Jeep or an old Land Rover, but I can't quite see from here, so let's see if we end up going around it. There we go. Old Jeep. Now let's get straight into the car show. Now, if you're fond of your minis, there was a great turnout of examples at the show, so stay tuned for more. Now I'd like to say a thank you to everyone who came up to me during the show and introduced themselves, letting me know that they've seen these videos up online on YouTube. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe and give them a thumbs up. Now, there would have been some more cars to show you, but sadly we had a corrupted file, so we lost about a dozen or so. But join me in the next video as we check out some more retro rides.